Hello students, today we will learn an example on electric field intensity. So this is question 24 asked in UPSC examination 2018. A charged particle of mass 2 kg and charge 3 coulomb starts with initial velocity 4 I cap plus 3 k cap in an electric field 12 I cap plus 10 j cap. Here all units are in SI. At time t equal to 1, its velocity becomes. So in this question we are given a charged particle of known charge and mass which is accelerating under the electrostatic force. The initial velocity of the charge is given and the electric field generated as a result of electric force is given. We have to determine the final velocity of charge after 1 second. So to determine the final velocity, we consider the Newton's equation of motion as v is equal to u plus at. So the initial velocity of charge u is known and the time t 1 second is known. So to determine the final velocity v, we must know the acceleration which is unknown. So to determine the acceleration of the charged particle, we use Newton's second law of motion as acceleration is equal to force upon mass. So electrostatic force can be written as Q into E upon mass m. Since electric field intensity is the electrostatic force on a unit coulomb charge, so if we multiply this with total charge Q, so we get the total force acting on the charge of magnitude q coulombs. So electric field is given in the question as 12 I cap plus 10 j cap. We determine its magnitude. So magnitude becomes under root 12 square plus 10 square is equal to root 144 plus 100, which on solving we get 2 root 61 Newton per coulomb. So substituting the value of electric field, we get acceleration A is equal to 3 is the charge multiplied by electric field 2 root 61 upon mass 2 kg. So 2 and 2 cancel, so we get acceleration as 3 root 61 meter per second square. Now in the question initial velocity is given, so we can determine its magnitude. So initial velocity is 4 I cap plus 3 k cap. So its magnitude becomes under root 4 square plus 3 square, which is 5 meter per second. So substituting the value of initial velocity, acceleration and time, we can determine the final velocity v as 5 plus 3 root 61, which works out to be 28.4 meter per second. So from the options we can choose the option D, which is 22 I cap plus 18 j cap. We can check it as we can find the magnitude of the final velocity. So it works out to be under root 22 square plus 18 square, which is under root 808. On taking the square root, we get the answer as 28.4 meter per second. There is also a common sense in this question as the other three options are in the form of I cap plus j cap plus k cap, and it is only this option which is in the form of I cap plus j cap. Since the final velocity can only be in the direction of electric field, and initially the electric field is given as in the form of I cap plus j cap, so we select the option in the form of I cap plus j cap.